Hey, it's Ben. I've got this Gooseneck Tablet Clamp Holder. The company sent this to me to make this video, so let's put it together and test it out. Okay, so it really just came in these two parts. So we have the Gooseneck clamp. So this is going to be clamping onto a desktop or a table or wherever you need it. And then it has a ball joint on the end. The ball joint's going to connect to this piece, and this is what will be holding your device. And this is springy and stretchy, so it should accommodate most devices. Width-wise, probably, because this can be swiveled any direction you need it to. So let's hook it up and test it out. To hook this to the ball joint, all you're going to do is unscrew this so it's loosened up. And you can stick this into here till it snaps. Then you can tighten it up, and it should stay in place. As far as the gooseneck flexibility, it's very strong. I mean, it's not going to go anywhere once you have it flexed. It takes a little bit of strength. And then you can tighten this down so that your device is not wiggling about. This opening is just about 2.5 inches when it's all the way open. So you got about 2.5 inch clearance, and there's rubber here so it won't damage your surfaces. Okay, so here I just have it hooked up to my countertop. You can see how it hooks on. I mean, it's definitely very sturdy. I mean, it's not going anywhere. And again, this gooseneck is very strong, very hard to move. So it's going to stay wherever you put it. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.